Hey guys, it's Monica at Academic Phoenix Plus, and welcome to another tutorial. This one is going to be about how to create pixel art in Maya using Arnold. So right now, this is my character Calico, and she is a character I'm creating for one of my games that I'm trying to concept. So when you render her out, you're going to notice that it's got her textures, basic textures. This scene has a basic HDR physical sky and Arnold Lights physical sky. And it also has a turntable. So if I rotate this, you will see that Calico actually turns around. So, and the purpose of this is to demonstrate how pixel art is going to look like. So right now, this is what Calico looks like. And the way to make it look like pixel art is actually very easy. I'm going to scoot this over. So what we need to look at is, in fact, the render settings. So up here at the top, there is this little clapper with a gear. Let's click on that. And we are going to take a look at the Render tab, Arnold Renderer. So right now, usually what we do when we're trying to render some high quality renders, we crank these values up. But to create a pixel art, you actually just need to crank the values down. Notice that the quality of the render starts to reduce dramatically. As I keep going even lower, it starts to, you name it, pixelize. So this is a pretty high pixel rate at -1. If I go to -2, it gets really pixely. And then finally, you get super low pixel, like 8-bit. So it's really up to you. And it actually reads if she's like tiny. But let me click this one here. But let's go ahead and just leave it at -2 so you can see the effect that as the character is turning around. Notice that the pixel art still works and it still renders and it still reads. Pixel art always looks better a little bit from afar. So it actually looks better like this. But you can see that it's rendering pretty interesting. If we drop it even further, then we really have a lower quality render, a little pixel art. But I wanted to show you guys that very quickly, if you wanted to create pixel art using your 3D options, you can, and Arnold makes it extremely easy. You can't get easier than this. Again, this was really fast. I just wanted to kind of demonstrate to you guys how this works. But let's rotate the light around so you can see that the pixel art gets affected by the light as well. It's pretty neat. So you're not limited to just creating beautiful renders. You can also create very low bit renders. So just wanted to demonstrate that. Hopefully that was helpful and interesting. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And again, you can always leave a comment. Please subscribe and share. And also visit academicphoenixplus.com for free downloads, ebooks, and just sign up for my newsletter to find out what's going on with the channel and tutorials, workshops, so on and so forth. All right, guys, thank you so much, and I will see you next time.